Sagittarius, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is action. It's time to spring into action. Put some bite behind that bark. Walk behind that talk. It's time to start building the foundation, laying the bricks, making sure you're meeting the timeline and the deadlines that you have to make everything that's in your mind come into 3D and make it real. The divine action I have excites love and harmony. I'm aware of my thoughts and I'm driven by positive forces. I listen to my heart, my desire to manifest light, transform tests into growth and challenge into opportunity, and fear into love, making you an all-powerful being, and successful is all in your energy right now. You come too far to stop now. Greatness is in you, and I can't wait to see what you're doing because I need you and the world needs you. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. Love you too.